Hey everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete or clear your Facebook activity all at once using your mobile phone. First, open your Facebook app and log into your account. Then, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Next, go to the Activity Log section. To get there, scroll through the settings until you find the Activity Log option. Then tap on it. Once you're in, you'll see a list of all your recent activities. From here, you can select the ones you want to delete, or simply select all, and then tap the Remove button at the bottom to delete them all at once. That's the simple trick to clear your Facebook activity quickly and easily. Thanks a lot for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next awesome video.